Cloud deployment shares many similarities with IT system deployments, but they also have many differences. Let us look at some important techniques and some pitfalls associated with cloud computing. Broadly, we will look into networking, automation and self-service, federated identity, and increased importance of standards. The next slide introduces us to the concept of networking with respect of cloud computing. Cloud computing is solely dependent on networking. For any cloud deployment to be successful, network connectivity has to be taken into consideration. Key dimensions of network design that relate to cloud computing are location, bandwidth, latency tolerance, firewalls, and access control, and redundancy. Let's look at each of these factors in detail. Location. In a typical network design, there is a single point of control connecting the access network of client PC, server network or data center, and the external connections for business client. Amidst this, there is a firewall zone too, but in cloud, this single point of connect is completely removed. Clients can access the services from all locations, and the same holds true for servers and business partners. Bandwidth. The speed at which data moves over connection is called bandwidth. Local network connections are said to have much higher bandwidths than wide area connections. Cloud moves processing away from a local network. As a result, available bandwidth becomes an issue. Delay tolerance. It is similar to what we saw in bandwidth. As the locations become more spread out, the transmission delays also increase. Not all applications can accommodate this. Firewalls and access control. In cloud, there is a need for multiple touch points between a company network and the internet, unlike the firewalls which are confined to a single location. Resilience. Cloud computing is capable of creating new components that can break down or become unstable. At the same time, cloud services create new techniques for introducing redundancy. For example, it is better to store data in more than one single location. In the next slide, we will discuss automation and self-service.